In this video, I will show you exactly how to streamline your workflow by connecting your Typeform responses directly into your Slack chat channels. This integration is an absolute game changer for staying updated and responding to your audience in real time. To get started, you first need to open the specific form you want to use within the Typeform editor. Once you have your form pulled up, look at the top menu and navigate over to the Connect tab. This section is where all the magic happens for integrations. Scroll down through the list of available apps until you find Slack, and then simply click the Connect button to begin the setup process. At this point, a prompt will appear asking you to authorize Typeform to access your Slack workspace. You will need to sign in to your Slack account if you are not already logged in, and then carefully select the specific workspace you wish to connect. Once you have granted the necessary authorizations, it is time to choose exactly where those notifications will land. You can select any public or private Slack channel from the drop-down menu, such as a specialized channel for new leads or perhaps one dedicated entirely to customer feedback. After choosing the right destination, you move on to the final step, which is to customize the message layout. You have full control over what information gets sent to Slack, allowing you to include specific question answers or custom text that provides context for your team. This ensures that every time someone hits submit on your form, your team gets the most relevant data instantly without ever having to leave the Slack app. By following these simple steps, you will create a seamless bridge between your data collection and your internal communication, making your response time faster and your entire operation much more efficient than ever before. It really is that simple to get everything synced up beautifully.